hopefully this all works out well. Here we go, Maiden of the Parrot AR 2.0 drone, Wi-Fi flying. Let's go. Piloting. There we go. Press, what's that say? Too much angle. I don't know what that means, but. Oh, yeah, it does that. You know your iPad?
Alright.
Just take it off a bit. So it's your iPad, you've got to keep your thumb on it. And if you just take your thumb off, apparently it'll stay where it is. Apparently. Obviously not. Okay, so what, we've got flyaway. Emergency landing. There you go. Emergency landing on that then. Because that was just going. Why? Maybe I'm just not working it out properly what I need to do. Let's take that to go. Okay. That was a bit all over the place, wasn't it? I thought it was okay then for a minute. I'm thinking it's the maiden flight. I thought, oh yeah, we're looking alright. We're looking alright. Right, got that one there. Let's have a look again. Also, stand back, my friend. Recording. Take off. Stand back. Okay. So let's take her over here. Go to the left. She's going somewhere. Yeah. If I don't lose this connection, it'll just hover. Ah, and it's landed. Okay, let's see what she looks like. Just flying here. Just try to hold it. I think it made it a bit too breezy for the wind. Just a wee. I think you have to balance your iPad. Just balance the iPad slightly. Just to get a things like that. See, there you go, there you go, there you go. Just smallest movements, and she's drifting quite quickly. So you've got to keep your thumb on the iPad in order to keep control of that. If I take my thumb off, don't do nothing. Put your thumb on. Bring it back to me nice, slower. Okay, so the wind's got her there, There's Phil and our kid. Going that slowly. That's it. It's all iPad movements. Now apparently you can turn this off and put it onto just stick control, or virtual stick control on the iPad itself. Let's do your and off there. Ooh, there we go, there we go. Yeah. There we go. Bit tricky. Trick it first. Okay. Oh, there you go. A bit more stable now. So yes, I think I was going down the field over there. The wind is actually coming towards the front of the drone right now. And I think we would definitely be pushed all the way by the wind. So good thing he's got the emergency button. Just land it. Range, I believe it's about 120, 150 metres. Whether it is that, because I know normally Wi-Fi is between 80 metres and 100 metres, so Yeah, it looks smart. Oh, there you go. Looks smart. The wind's there blowing it, so I'm just trying to fight that wind. See, it's pitching forward a bit there. Okay, don't go up. What are you going up for? Why is she going up then? I have no idea. Oh, it's one thing at a time. I see on the sticks now. Right, so I want to bring it back to me, pull it back, let the thumb off, keep your left thumb on the screen, and you can see hopefully, forward, right, left, back with the iPad, back, away Moggy. Oh. Bugs, you're bugging me. That's a bit of a joke with them, man. It's not the bugs, it's the Parrot AR drone. So let's see if we can get around her again. Oh, see, there you go. I'm trying to keep it stable in that wind. 720p camera. Does have an outer hull that will go on her as well, but obviously we're not flying with the outer hull. I see, it's good fun. Look at it. Got the outer hull apparently in the wind. Makes it into like a kite, so that's just for more indoors. So if you got the room, I tried it last night indoors in the house. Good job I had the hull on because it just crashed into every ornament you can think of, fruit bowl, everything. It was all over the place. There we go. Okay, oh, it's pretty cool. So you keep, and we've lost our link. There we go, lost the link. So she's landing. She lost the link and she landed. Well, that's a good safety, I think, in my book, because then you know, some poor kid or adult kid like us isn't gonna you know, lose their drone. So let's try and see if we can reconnect. There we go, reconnecting. I hope it saved that last recording. And let's take off again. There you go. I believe these are brushless motors, I believe. Thumb on the screen, remember? There we go, bringing her back. Something else flying around there. Okay, don't go too high, because that wind is slowly grabbing a hold of her. She sounds good. Now let's see, go slightly, press forward on the right stick, which increases in altitude. We'll leave it there, yeah, leave it there. And the sensors underneath, apparently, these sensors underneath do record. Got a glimpse of it there then. Balance it out, so we've got a bit higher in altitude, just to there. As I said, there's a bit of wind. She's holding it very well. I say there's a bit of wind, you might be able to see the trees, and yeah. Okay, she definitely picked up speed there. Speed again, and come back. We don't want it getting out of range, really. So let's just stop that recording. Yeah, and start recording again. All on the screen. There we go. Left, the iPad. Right with the iPad, how fast? Oh, she turned. Oh, well, look at that, she turned, then corrected herself. There's that wind again, if you can hear it. And iPad, back to us. There she is, she's coming in. Stop her there. That's it, come a bit further back, baby. Do you know what? I bought this from a guy in Germany. Can't say the channel, but big selling channel, electronic channel, that's what I said with an E. And It was German, so I bought it from Germany. I thought I got myself a bargain here. It was about 60 quid. Got here, the hull was broke, no battery, no charger. Oh great. So I then had this body hull, but not the outer hull, which is like a big massive circles all around it. It's cool, but massive, makes the drone look like 4 times as big. And so then I decided to you know, translate it into English. It did say all this in it, but there you go. So if you're buying anything in a foreign language, translate it first, and then you know actually what you're going to be getting, not spending an extra £80 on 2 batteries, a charger and an outer hull. But yeah, cool. So you can see these batteries are pretty decent. They are new, so it's mainly for the batteries. So yeah, so let me just try this one of Parrot's first babies. As I do like Parrot, got the disco, got the B02, you know, so there's another Parrot baby. So let's just turn it to the right, there we go, that's it. I thumb off, then I just turned it with the sticks, virtual right stick I did. I just turned it to the right. It's a bit breezy, so what I want to do is just try what she's like. Let's go central, more central, more central. There we go, I'll level off the. Bring it down. Not too much. And bring it back because that wind's blowing her again. I'm going to have to show you the Metro language in a minute. When it's a landing language, so she's fighting the wind there. Bring it to me, bring it to me. Right, stop there. I think we've lost. Yes, we have. She's going to reconnect. She's going to reconnect. She's going to reconnect. I think she's like a Mitchell landing. There we go. So there we go. Mitchell landed it because she was not connected. I don't think. I'm drifting off. So we'll try and walk through the goalpost then. So you can see on the screen here. Please wait until the end of the recording. So when I get close to it, there you go. It's now connected again. Because I'm right up to the aircraft. So hopefully we'll have record. Okay. So here we go. Let's now in joypad mode, which is virtual sticks. I'm controlling, I hope. That's obviously down. Let's bring it back. That's obviously down. She's going to crash. She's hovering across the. Look at that! Look at it go! Is she going to land? No, she's going over there. She's coming back. She's coming back. She's trying. She's trying. Trying. Hey, she's coming back. She's coming back on the sticks. Thumbs off. Thumbs off. Thumbs off. So she's come back to us. Oh, that's cool. Look how low that is. That's awesome. Back over this way. Oh, look at that now. It's a turn. I should correct herself. So left stick again is foremost, right stick. Turn it to the right. I'm going to keep lowish, I think, everybody. So obviously you got your basic drone controls. It's a lot harder though, I think, on virtual reality. I think you really have to concentrate on small movements are quite difficult. Turn there. She's going that way. I want to go that way. I want to go. No, no, no. I'm not going that way. I want to now go forwards. There we go. Goodness. Yeah. There you go. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. She's going again. Come back. Come back. She's coming back to me. Yes, she is. So I think she stays in that. She? No, she's stopping. I was going to say then. I think she just carries in that direction, whichever you sent the last command. But no, she's not. So I'll just stop record on the drone just for a second. Yeah. she's now drifting again. So let's turn to left, left, left. We're facing into the wind. There we go. Now then, going back to base, I think. Not too much. Come back. I said, don't want it to get too far away, so it's a bit of wind. They might end up losing it, so you've got to be aware of that. In a windy condition like today, you'd rather not send her too far away. Keep her low, because then she does like going to I'm going to fly away mode, especially at this height. As you see, we're surrounded by trees. So there we have it, the Parrot AR drone. Oh right, there we go, that's what I wanted to do. Let me slowly, I tell you what, let's land her first. Oh, no, where am I going? Where am I going? Landing. There you go, press landing, she lands. Let's go into, I don't know what to see on this. Go into settings, and we'll go into joypad off, because I want to do this next bit of experiment. I put it to flip mode, so hopefully see where you going. She's gonna crash. That's it off. So she's gonna go down, I think. There she goes. Emergency landing. And into the trees. There you go. We had a bit of a fly away then. Yeah. See, it's connected because the camera's telling me it's in the trees. Right, so there you go. I was saying about these trees. You can just see it now. And that is how some poor soul ends up losing a drone. They're too high. Takes off and goes. There we go. And apparently nobody's ever broke a blade yet, so still in one piece. So what I want to do, no, I'll take off here because we are in an area of trees, just in case it does go funny again. So let's press record. On the head cam, of course, the GoPro Hero 5 Black. See, it's still a bit breezy. Dog walkers, he's trying a bit FPV with his lobsam. Oh, into parting. Okay, then we go to settings. I want to look. Actually, let's come into settings. Let's go to the Drone Academy. Oh, I can't do it because I have to internet. I can't really do the flips. That's what I'm hoping to do on this flight. So let's start recording and we'll experiment. Thumb on the screen, remember. Okay, there we go. Oh, I like that. The lights flash green when they take off, and then this go on to red when it's up in the air. So I wonder if we can just go a bit higher. Just a bit higher, a bit higher, higher. It's about there. That. There you go. There's your flip. Keith, you see that? Watch this. You there? You tap it twice. Tap it twice, swipe. Barrel rolls. There we go. Twice. There we go. Twice. 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 Okay, I'll get carried away, judge here. Keep my thumb on the screen at all times. Oh yeah, there you go. So green at front, red at back. Well, that's supposed good when it's like night flying orientation. So let me just trying to get that balance. Turn it slightly there. That's it. So let's see what she looks like facing us, shall we? Round. Opposites. opposites. See that then? I have to just walk around it. There we go. Look at that. Slow movements, George. Slow movements, like. Look at that. Let's flip. So she does actually go up, increase altitude. Get that iPad moving, thumb on the screen. There we go. What is sticking out? Oh, yeah, okay. She twitched a few times then. Slower movements. There you go. Get it balanced. There you go. Wrong way. The orientation is with this iPad, because you just literally, like I say, moving your iPad back, back towards me. There you go. Wind's picking up again. So she does altitude increase. Oh, there we go. Twice on the screen. Yeah, I think it only just flips one way. Left, swipe to the right, sorry. Quick swipe, yeah, just to the left. Barrel rolls, or flips, what you want to call them. But yeah, awesome. I'll buy your iPad. Let's just get your turn there. So there we have it. Awesome. Piece of kit, 33%. That battery, but I haven't charged it. This battery, I charged it months ago, because I've had this for a while, just never got around to doing the maiden on it, or the test. Autumn is approaching here. Is the time I start getting all the little racing drones out, and waterproof drones, as well as doing my flights with the GPS drones. Orientation, there you go. So there we go. So we're down to 31% now on this, sorry, still 33% on this battery. Yeah, flip again. There she is. Look at that, everybody. Look at that. Let's see, let's go full speed ahead. How fast is she? I'm back. There we go. Do you know what? I tilted right back then. I thought she was going to land. I think she's probably going to land. Keith, you might have to duck. So don't go too far. Keith, watch out your head. Oh, look at that. All on the iPad, everybody. All on the iPad. So, yeah, again, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's good fun. Control it with the iPad. I think you can do it with phones as well, our phones. Android probably as well. Just on the app. But yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that, everybody. I'm going to be closing this one down in a second. Probably will have her out again at some point in the future. But successful maiden. Good fun. Say bye. There we are. Awesome. Do take care of yourself. And goodbye. And let's do a landing. Lander. Okay, let's land her. There she is, landing on her own. Look at that, everybody. Perfect. And stop recording. Please wait until the end of the recording. There you go, before you switch it off, because it just saves it all onto your iPad. Awesome. Like I said, 33% left on the battery. Shut that. And if you look at this drone now, everybody, take the outer hull shell off, magnetise, you see, onto the bottom there. Slides onto the camera there, sets onto there. There's a camera apparently back here, which helps with the positioning on the ground. I think that's when you can buy a GPS module for this. It goes in here, all connects, USB connector here, so you can actually record all your footage from the camera direct to your USB stick, so you don't record it just onto your phone or your iPad. So that is pretty clever. So well done, Parrot. Like I said, it's a few years old now, this, but they do still sell it in the stores. So if you're looking to buy one of these, I highly recommend it, just for the fun. It's just for the kids, all the big kids in the zoo. What do you say, Keith? Exactly. So there you go, everybody. The Parrot AR drone 2.0. Take care. Thank you.